Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you forget your iPhone password, you will not be able to use your device. If you repeatedly enter the wrong password, your device will show that the iPhone is unavailable. But don't worry, there are some simple ways to safely solve this problem. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock your iPhone, so let's get started. Method 1. Using the Forgot Password option. This method is the most straightforward and does not require a computer. The prerequisite is that your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later. If you forget your password and enter the wrong password multiple times on your iPhone, the Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can select this option to start the iPhone reset process, which will erase all data and the lock screen password, so you should back up your data beforehand. The system will then prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Confirm the reset by tapping Erase iPad. Wait for the reset process to complete, after which your iPad will be reset, and you can set it up as a new device or restore data from an iCloud backup. Method 2. Using Apple device to restore iPhone. If you cannot see the Forgot Password option due to your iPhone's version or network issues, don't worry, this method can help you. First, you need to connect your iPhone to a computer, then press and release the volume up button, press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Next, you need to open the Apple device, or you can open Finder or iTunes. You will then be prompted to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to choose Restore. However, please note that both options will erase iPhone data and may be slow, with a risk of errors, so use this method with caution. Based on this, I strongly recommend using UltFone iPhone Unlock. Method 3. Use UltFone iPhone Unlock to reset iPhone. If the previous methods have failed, you can use this method to unlock your iPhone. I highly recommend UltFone iPhone Unlock. It is easy to operate and compatible with most iPhones and iPads. The download link for UltFone can be found in the video description. First, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect the iPhone to your computer, then press and release the volume up button, press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Next, launch UltFone. Select Unlock iOS screen and UltFone will automatically identify the firmware your iPhone needs to download. Click Download, and after the firmware download is complete, click Start to proceed with the removal. The removal process takes about 10 minutes, please be patient. Once the removal is complete, your iPhone will return to normal and you can set up your iPhone again. That's it! These methods can help you unlock your iPhone. Please note that all methods will erase the data on the iPhone. If you haven't backed up, you may lose data. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.